Virus. This is currently you with lots of Chrome, i.e. Mozilla Firefox or different virus in your PC. But it's time to change. Instead of formatting your computer every time, 3 steps, you're done. It's time we improvise. It's time we make smart moves. This is Mr. A saying, let's begin. Before that, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Let's begin. To be clear, nothing manual changes you will do will remove the virus. So we need a software for that. That brings to 3 steps. Number 1, we download a software and it will remove 40% of your virus, which includes your browser virus. Number 2, we download another one that will remove remaining 60%, which consists of PC virus, which also causes the browser to work slow. Number 3 and the last, which will give confirmation is there any small virus which is left in PC. Number 1 it is. Name of the software is Adw Cleaner. This is how the software looks like. The design is pretty simple. Just click on scan and it will show you a list of viruses. If you want to untick any, you can do that too and click on clean button. It will ask for a restart. Do that. Once PC is on, it will show you a notepad file consists of a list of viruses it has removed. That's it. 40% of virus it is which has been removed. Moving to the next one. Number 2. Name of the software is Malware Bytes. This is the mainstream. This is how the software looks like when you open it for the first time. Click on scan. Sit back and relax. This one will show you a bunch of virus, which includes your browser virus and pop-ups. Now you need to click on quarantine, which is on the bottom left side, and your remaining 60% of your virus is removed. It may ask you for a restart and you must do that, as that will bring a whole change in your PC performance. And finally, moving to the final one. Number 3, name of the software is Hitman Pro. You just need to open the software and click on next. It will scan whether any small viruses are also left and will remove automatically. Your PC is skyrocket again. So that's why I always say you should never lose hope. All the software links which I have shown you are in description and you can download in one go. It's time we delete all this stuff. The reason is all the software are on trial period, so it will ask you to purchase it, which is thus in this case their work is done. So let's go ahead. For Adw Cleaner, you just need to go to File and click on uninstall and it's done. The remaining 2 software can directly remove from control panel. You go to add or remove programs in control panel and select Malware Bytes and it's done. Same goes with Hitman Pro. But if you want to still purchase it, you can go ahead and buy it. These softwares are really good. That's it guys, thank you for watching. If you really like the video, click on the subscribe button. This is Mr. A saying, peace.